Today we're going to play that bubble shooter bubble pop game. Bet you can't beat me. It's loading. Here we go. Let's play. Alright. This is level 11 through 20. There's 11. Let's play. Pop all the bubbles. Alright. Boing. Turquoise. There you go. Sometimes higher you can hit, the more you can drop. Not always, but see, that dropped a bunch. That dropped some. Turquoise and green. Yeah. Blue. Yeah, let's see. Ding. Green. Y'all playing this game? It's a lot of fun. Go check it out. It's free in the Play Store. Blue. There we go. Cleared that level. Alright, here we go. That was level 11. Got some kind of a medal there, a rank or something. Collect stars, okay. Oh, take that. Free gift. If you get that double, you gotta watch video. Level 12, here we go. Pop all the bubbles. Yellow and green. Alright, let's go to our green. Be careful when you're changing colors. You need to hit on the color you want to change to, or it'll fire a bubble for you. Oops. Let's see what it did. I tried to change colors and it didn't hit the bubble, and it fired one for me. Bounce off that wall. There we go. Green, that'll drop a bunch. Yeah. We're getting up there. Blue. Blue and green. Okay. Ding. Blue and green. Can I get in there? Yeah. Yellow. Sometimes you don't have much of a shot, if any. I've had to waste a ball just because I didn't have a color to shoot at. Red. Turquoise. Green. Yellow. Oh, that's kind of a lavender magenta. I don't know, some kind of red. Alright, we got that level. 12 was done. Level 13. Let's play it. Alright, first shot clears the chains, the second shot will clear the color. There you go. See there? Hit between those two right there. Yeah. Turquoise and blue. Yellow. Now you can drop those chains, but if you have to shoot them, you have to hit them twice. There's one. Ooh, turquoise, yeah. Whatever. See how I dropped everything, including the chains? Yeah. Saves you a shot. Another blue. Chains. Got 'em. Another blue. Another blue. Another blue. Uh-oh. Can we get up in there? Yeah. Woo. Green and yellow. Cleared that level. Alright. Go check out my playlist, Bubble Shooter Games. Got a bunch more of them up there. I like playing these games. They're a lot of fun. 14. Let's play it. Uh-oh. I gotta buy those. See, they're just plus. So I can't collect those yet. Multicolor balls. Look at there. You can shoot with either color. Shoot the chains off. There's red and the green. See how they shoot red and it got it? Dropped all in. Red. There you go. Red. Ooh. Turquoise. See, we drop out. Watch this. Pow! Dropped all of them below it, including the chain. Red. Bounce off that wall. Yellow and red. Can I get up in there? Oh, yeah. Ooh, wasn't sure about that. Get the yellow out of the way there. Red and turquoise. This will drop those red chains, yeah. Turquoise. That dropped the green chains. Yeah. Not gonna have to shoot the green here. Oh, I missed it. Bad aim. Turquoise. Turquoise at the top. Watch here. Pow. Dropped everything. Yeah. Level 14 cleared. Rate us. Not right now. Level 15. Pop all bubbles. Alright, what are we going to do here? Greens and blues, alright. Well, if I had a yellow, it might drop a bunch over there. Fireball, see what this guy does. Took a bunch out, didn't it? Green, yellow, there we go, took out a bunch. I like how it drops everything below it. If I had a yellow, it'd drop a bunch more. But I don't. They'll drop a bunch, yeah. Yellow, okay. Green, yeah. Ooh, I thought it might get everything with that blue. Kept it from dropping them all. Reds, blue. Here we go. Can we get both those? Yeah. Oh, yeah, but it didn't drop them all. Here we go. All right, cleared that level. That was 15. 16. Pop them all. Red and blue. Red. Blue and green. Blue. Turquoise. Right there between those two. Yeah. Well, if I could get over and get that red. Green. Yellow. Yellow, drop a bunch. Watch here. Pow. Green. Yeah. Alright. Here we go. Yellow. Getting close up here on this level. There we go. Red will do it. Cleared them all. There we go. Level 16 it was. Ready to go with 17. 20 is probably going to be as far as we go this time. Gonna come back and play some more later. It's a lot of fun. Oh, there's the chains. Look at there. Hit those chains. First time it clears the chain. Second time it'll clear the color. Well, if I had a yellow, I could drop everything. Now, you can drop those chains. You don't have to clear them. Oh, I fired the wrong color. Alright, let's see. Green, there we go. Blue, that dropped a bunch. Red, clear the chains. Yellow. Yellow will drop. Oh, I missed it. Dadgummit. Cost me an extra shot or two. There we go. Red, cleared that screen. All right. That was 17. 18. Clear. Pop all the bubbles. Clear them all. Turquoise, green. No, there's a green, yeah. Red chains. Ding! Oh, that dropped up above it, so it dropped the chains. Both of those, alright. Blue. Red and blue. I don't have a red or a blue. Oh, there we go. Didn't see those chains. Turquoise. Can I get both those? Yeah. Red. Oh, almost missed that red, didn't I? That yellow kind of made it hard to see. Blue. That'll drop a bunch. Chains and all. Green. That multicolor. Okay. There we go. Yellow. Can I get in there? Yeah, I think so. Yep. Whatever color that is. Turquoise, green, cleared the level. All right. You think you can beat me? Go start playing this game. Follow me and see what level I'm on. If you're playing, leave me a comment. Let me know the level you're on. Oh, I got a prize here. What we get? Didn't say, did it? Leave me a comment. Let me know the level you're on. Maybe ahead of me, but we'll see. Yellow. Right there. Yellow again. Yellow and red. There's a bigger one right there. Okay. Green chains. Can I get both of them right there? Nope. Missed. Couldn't get but one of them. Yellow. Yellow and red. Chains. Get those chains out of the way. There we go. Dropped a bunch. Woo. Now we got a single color. There we go. Green, green. Got it. Cleared that level. That was 19. One more level. Y'all leave me a comment. Let me know how you're doing. Oh, a prize. What we get? Tap to claim. Don't know what it gave me. Didn't show it. Check out my playlist. Bubble Pop games. Got a bunch of them. Bubble shooters, Bubble Pop. Bunch more up there and a lot more coming. Red, get those chains. Red, drop those blues too. Chains, ooh. Boy, it's too bad it had chains. It would have dropped a bunch of them for me. Do I have a shot at a green? Maybe right there, yeah. Can I get up there? Yeah. Now do it again, it'll drop everything. Easy right there. Got them all. All right. Well, that's as far as we're going to go this time. So, level 20. Y'all leave me a comment. Let me know what level you're on. If you got a game that you'd like to see me play, leave a comment there. I'll check it out for you. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And see you next time.